What is going on, YouTube? It is Hemi Boy 392 back at it again with another video. Man, it's been like a week or so since I picked up a camera, man. I just ain't really been, I don't know if you want to say it, in the filming mood, or I just ain't had much motivation lately. Yeah, man, but I'm back at it again, man. Mine's coming for the 392 real soon. As soon as they get here, they should be here this week. Got a few things planned that I'm gonna be doing to this thing. I do have one thing I'm gonna probably do today, and I done effed up, man. I done got in the car. I'm thinking I'm gonna be able to pull out, because I forgot I had this car in here and I was gonna pull out, but I gotta move that truck. But anyway, yeah, man, I got a mod that I'm gonna, I wouldn't say just like a mod, but it's like a decal that I'm probably gonna put on today. Right up here, I don't know if y'all seen the last charge that I had a move over banner. I had an extra one, and I wasn't planning on putting it on here, but I think I'm gonna put it on here, you know, just because I got it already. No sense in wasting it, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna sell it because it ain't even really worth selling, because I didn't pay that much for it. So, I'm gonna just probably put it on here to see how it looks. It's white. If I ain't really feeling it, I'm gonna just take it off. I'll probably run it for a couple days, just to kind of give you guys a little bit of content today. I do have a video planned right now. The reason I have gotten this car, I probably haven't moved this car in probably maybe 4 or 5 days. It's just been sitting. But I got a little bit of content planned right now, man. I'm going over my aunt's house. She has yet to see the scat. She was telling my grandma, she was like, hey man, when is he gonna come over and show me, you know what I'm saying? I was like, when it become a nicer day outside, I come, you know, give her a ride, get a little bit of reaction. So right now, that's what I'm finna head and do. I don't have a GoPro. I don't know if y'all know, I don't have a GoPro or any type of mount. I just got the tripod, so I'm gonna try to set the tripod up on the dash somewhere, or somewhere in the car, to where I can kind of film it or get her reaction of it a little driving video or something like that. So I'm gonna figure that out, and I'm gonna head over here. Well, let me get these cars out of the way. I'm gonna head over here, and I'm gonna get back with y'all if she want to go for a ride, you know what I'm saying? If she don't want to go for a ride, then that's completely fine. I just get my mom's reaction, because that wasn't gonna be funny. I wish I would have had the camera when I did my grandma's. Oh my god, that was the funniest thing ever. All right, y'all, man, that was a fail. Auntie wasn't home. I guess her and my grandma went out already, so ain't gonna be doing that video today. So I plan on doing my mom, but she don't feel like coming outside today either, so I'm gonna just scrap that whole idea and put it in another video, you know what I'm saying? Probably one where it's even nicer outside, but you know, it is what it is. But man, I got, like I said, I don't know if I said this before, but I got a lot of mods coming for this car. I was planning on doing the mid muffler, but one of the reasons I haven't did it yet is because I don't know if it's done yet. A lot of people telling me that it is done. Some people saying that it's not done, it's stock. I don't know yet. I just, you know, I'm kind of enjoying the quietness, because in my last car, damn, it's hot as hell in here. My last car, my 5.7, it was straight piped from the Scatpack, so no mufflers, no resonators. It was loud as all hell, man. So I like loud cars, man, but that one was a little bit too loud. I'm not even gonna lie to you, like, I planned on getting resonators put back on that mug. It was just so loud. So now I'm kind of enjoying the not as loud, you know what I'm saying? So I'm kind of enjoying that right now. I'm probably gonna do the muffler, mid muffler delete or whatever. Maybe I'll give it probably another week or two. I'm gonna be doing that, and then yeah, man, that's just gonna be. I kind of want to get a full exhaust on this thing though. You know what I'm saying? Like a nice, like an actual exhaust. Like, this is one of the cars like I want to build without like really cutting corners. I know I'm gonna cut corners, but like with that like exhaust, I'm gonna get a nice one. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. Maybe I might just keep it cheap. Who knows? But yeah, man, y'all see this pesky light up here? Let me see. It's the tire sensors. I still have yet to get that fixed, the tire sensor fixed on the wheels that I had. I just slapped them right on here because the 245s that came stock on here, they were just horrible. So I just needed a little bit more meat to grip a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So swap that over. I still haven't went to go get it. I really don't want to go to Discount Tire. I really don't. I'm definitely not gonna go to the one over here by me. I might slide over to the Plainfield Road one or whatever. But I'm definitely not gonna go over to this one by me because they suck. I always have issues with them every time I go there. The only reason I go there is because it's close and convenient. But I plan on getting that fixed because, you know, when you driving and you got like your window down, you can hear it. It's broke off in there, so you can hear it clinking against the wheel. So like as I'm moving, it's just like clink, 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 clink. You know, so that's annoying. I did run into one issue with this car. I believe it is a ball joint in the front, so you could hear it kind of like clunk when you hit like a bump or something like that. I'm gonna get that fixed, but I'm gonna get the lowering springs put on first, and then I'm gonna take it to the dealership because that shit's warranty. I'm gonna have them replace the ball joint or whatever the fuck is wrong under there, and then get the alignment, you know, done all at one time, you know what I'm saying? Because then I won't have to pay for an alignment. I just get my lowering springs put in by my mechanics and then have the other people, you know, something like that. So that's what I think I'm gonna do. I don't know if it works like that. I don't know if they see I got lowering springs, they don't want to fucking align it or anything like that. Y'all let me know down in the comments if they align it, if I got lowering springs or anything like that done. I don't see why they wouldn't, but you know what I'm saying. Who knows? So that's what I'm gonna probably do. But that's about it, you know. I should have took the low. I don't know if the lowering springs on the other car were compatible with this one, but I should have took the lower springs. You know what? Scratch on it. I'm gonna get to, you know, whatever. You know, I'll just blah, blah. And another thing, y'all, these Brembos, they squeal like a mother. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know what it is. On my last two cars, this Charger and the last one, the brakes was squealing like super. Like, let me see if you can hear it now. I don't want to do it right now, you know what I'm saying? But any other time, you know, I be riding around this motherfucker squealing like a mug. So I don't know what that is. If it's got to do with like brake. I know I read on some of the forums it was like y'all little. Ooh, man. You know, I read on some of the forums it was like ceramic brake pads. They gonna squeal, especially if it's on Brembos or something like that. So I read that the power stops are pretty good, so I'm gonna check them out eventually. You know, it's just like everything I want to get done at once, but you know, sometimes you ain't got the, come on, bitch, get across the street already. It's like everything you want to get done at once, but then you don't want to spend that much money. You know what I'm saying? Man, look at this motherfucker. She just pacing herself across the motherfucking street on the phone. Y'all, when I tell you I'm enjoying this, man, I am enjoying it 100%, man. I'm gonna give y'all a nice, I think it's been about a month since I had it right now, man. So I'm gonna give y'all a nice little review on my thoughts of this 392 coming from a 5.7. I'm gonna give y'all one of them. Turn this music off and shit. I don't know how loud it was in the video, but anyway, don't matter. I ain't monetized anyway. So, yeah, man, it just, I don't know. All right, y'all, so I'm back at the crib right now. Back in the garage, truck locker in again, you know. You know what these, you gotta make sure you take extra precautions with the scats and everything now. Cause you know they is stealing them so stealing them and shit. So, you know, you gotta take your extra precautions every time I'm in the garage. Something blocking it, whether it's the work car or my car, you know what I'm saying? So, not that I hear it, wouldn't hear it anyways, you know, because my room is like right there. So, not like I wouldn't hear it. And plus, you know, if they come up in this yard trying to steal something, you know, hey, That's all I'm gonna say about that one. Anyway, so y'all see I got the my little banner right here, my little move over banner that's gonna go right up there on the windshield. Like I said, man, y'all, I don't know how I feel about it or how I'm gonna feel about it. Putting it up here, I see that it's some cameras or some sensors up there. I don't know how it'll work, or if I'm not supposed to block them, or if the sticker kind of, I don't know. We gonna find out though. So I'm gonna try to go ahead and put this on here. Maybe give you a nice little time lapse or something. I'm gonna set it up in the trunk of my car and we gonna get it rolling. Alright guys, man, like 25 minutes later, I wouldn't say 25, but somewhere along 20 minutes later, I am done. You see it, and I tell you, man, when I did, this is one of the, even on the last charger that I had, this is one of the most difficult, like, backing papers to get off. Like, it's just super sticky, which all the other decals that I put on from anywhere else, you know, they, like this one right here, stitch and print, of course the one in the back, man, it's so easy. This one has proven to be the most difficult from, I believe it was Vinyl Status or Vinyl something, one of the two, Vinyl Status or Vinyl Sickness, I think I got it from. But man, I don't know what to say. I mean, it looks alright, but it's just like the quality of this one is kind of like the same as the last one, and the only reason I have a second one is because the first time when they sent me it had like all types of like debris underneath it, and it was causing like these pinholes or something in the vinyl, and it wasn't like anything that had to do with me, because it was under, you can see it when it arrived, it was underneath, literally underneath the backing paper. So yeah, man, this one it had a little bit, but I was able to work it out a little bit more. So far I'm alright with it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it on here. I'm gonna take it off. Let me get in my truck and point it at the rear so y'all can kind of see what it's supposed to accomplish. If you don't know, here, can you see it? It says move over. It says move over, but 9 times out of 10 you get behind somebody and you got this on, they just gonna go slower. And, you know, it ain't meant to be like a serious thing. It's kind of like a joke thing, but you know, they take it anyway, so they usually go slower and shit. So I just put it on today, because it's just sitting around the house. I figure I might as well do something with it other than throw it in the garbage, because you know, it was free anyways, but I paid for the first one. So here it is. Move over. White car. I don't know, man. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments down below. Let me know if you think I should take it off or I should keep it, or you know, it looks good, it looks bad. Tell me what you think down in the comment section down below. And that's gonna be it for today's video. If you made it this far in the video, even if you didn't, if you just catching on at this part of the video, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and also hit that post notification bell so you know every time I upload, because you know, now I'm back in my grind mode. I'm gonna be uploading a lot of videos. I wouldn't say twice a day, maybe once every other day. That's usually what I be doing anyways, uploading every other day or every other day. So y'all just stay tuned. I got a lot of good content coming for y'all.